Hello everybody! In today's lesson we are going to be learning how to create a block diagram. So in our unit of maths that we have been doing for the past 2 weeks, we did tallies and pictograms. The last thing we have to do is block diagrams. So if you remember from a couple weeks ago, most of you completed a survey where you chose your favorite color. I have looked at the results of the survey, and from all of the results from the people who completed it, this is what we've got. So 7 children like blue, 2 children like green, 9 like red, 3 like pink, 6 like purple, 4 like orange, and 6 children like another color that wasn't on this list. So we are going to take this information and turn it into a block diagram. Now you all are so good at pictograms, I think this is going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy for most of you. So I have created a grid using a piece of paper. You might want to use the template that I've put onto Dojo, the worksheet, so you can color it in on your iPad or your phone or your laptop, or you can do it on paper like this, or you can do it on square paper like maths paper. So how do we create a block diagram? If you're not going to use the template that is on the worksheet section of Dojo, you're going to have to create a grid that looks like this. You have to create a grid that has 7 columns, so 7 columns going up and down like this, and 9 rows going across. So if you're going to do it on a piece of paper, make your grid now. You probably need an adult's help because it is a bit tricky to make a paper grid like this. It's much easier if you have square paper, like maths book paper at home. So you need 7 across and 9 going up and down. So if you're going to make your own sheet, pause the video, make your grid now. If you're not going to make your own sheet, then just carry on watching. So we have to put some labels on the different parts of our block diagram so that whoever looks at it will know what they're looking at. Along the vertical bit, this is called the y-axis. Along this bit, we're going to put the numbers. So this is going to be number, I'll do it in pen so you can see it. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this 9 is like the biggest, is the red. So that's the most popular color. So we have to go up to 9. Along the bottom, we're going to write the different colors. So let's start with blue, green, red, pink, purple, orange, and other. So if you are doing a paper grid, you need to make sure that you label the y-axis, this bit here, the numbers, and you also have to label the x-axis. That's the bit that goes across. So y-axis, x-axis, because the person who looks at your block diagram has to know exactly what they're looking at. The next step is to fill in our block diagram. So you've already done pictograms, so this bit will probably seem quite easy. I got colors to correspond to the different colors of people's favorite, the colors of the survey. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. So we're going to look at blue. How many children like the color blue? 7. So I'm going to get my blue color and I'm going to color in 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to color in 7. I'm just going to do it like this. You will do it much neater when you do your own. But just for the sake of being quick, I'm just going to shade it like that. So that shows me that 7 children like the color blue. How many children like green? 2. So I'm going to get my green color and I'm going to color in 2 blocks. I'm not going to do the rest because I want you all to do it on your own. So what is your task? You have to create a block diagram grid, either on paper or you can use the one that's on Dojo, and then label the different axes. So numbers on the y-axis, colors along the x-axis, and then you're going to fill in your block diagram.